Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
Here we go, everyone! La, 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 la.
Thanks for the help, Corporal.
Anything for one of Pop's mates.
What's going on? That's what I do.
Voice recognized. Disguise program initiated.
Cool! Hey, come here!
Don't worry about it, kid. It's the least I could do. After all, gas can is my...
No, he ran out of asphalt in the middle of the night and asked me if he could come down here. All these...
Tough negotiator, by the way.
Oh, you flatter us. But don't stop.
Anyway, just one.
Seperti balon.
It was a great move. I was, hey, Vito.
It's not.
Oh, number 7 is loose. Shoot, Todoroki. Everyone ready? Let's start rounding them all up.
All right.
Date tomorrow.
Non ci credo.
Guido don't believe you.
Well, believe it. My new girlfriend just said so. Hey.
It's black racing these yellow lines.
Forecast. 100% chance of thunder. Gazooga.
Unified School District.
Then win. Francesco always wins. It's boring.
I gotta tell you, dude, you were in trouble for a while. That
Word, sweet pea. My baby Ramon can get that fixed up for you in no time.
Yeah, sure thing, man. No problem.
¿Alguien conoce a Rayo McQueen? Hoy que es el más veloz.
thanks, Tex. I made that stolen fella a Texas-sized offer. Put McQueen in there. Give you some real competition.
I am not coming in behind you again, old man.
Good night, Sally.
right here.
Don't worry, Mama. The queen is ready.
A valuable dent? Oh, she's as crazy as Mater.
Those two are perfect.
Lightning Dragon Fireball.
Road is Big Al.
Lizzie, Big Al left like 15 years ago.
Then why are you bringing him up, you lemon?
Very long racing season. He is taking some time off to rest.
The Lady McQueen would not have it.
Responding. Where's Mater? Right past. Make room for Mater.
My way.
If you're implying that I switched out that rot-gut excuse for alternative fuel,
La radial. Toma, te doy las de nieve. ¡Mate! Entonces estos...